Good afternoon viewers, meet again with me, Fatichatul Muflichah. The bill on the prohibitions of alcoholic drinks. Proposers of the bill on the prohibitions of alcoholic drinks consists of 21 members of the Indonesian Parliament, 18 from the PPP factions, 2 from the PKS faction, and 1 from the Gerindra Party faction. According to data provided by the National Police Criminal Investigation Agency with criminal acts of procurement, distribution, sale of alcohol or alcoholic drinks or mixed alcohol, namely 145 cases during the last 3 years from 2018 to 2020. From WHO data, 2.5 million people died from alcohol. The discussion of the bill has been postponed since the 2015. What is the contents of the bill on the prohibitions of alcoholic drinks? In Article 1, Paragraph 1, the problem is that what is meant by alcoholic drinks in this bill is drink containing ethanol derived from agricultural products containing carbohydrates by means of fermentation and distillation or fermentation without distillation, either by pre-treating it or not adding other ingredient or not, or by mixing the containing with ethanol or by diluting ethanol containing drinks. Then in Chapter 2, regarding classification, Article 4, Paragraph 1, several types of alcohol drinks. Number 1, Group A, ethanol content is less than 5%. Number 2, Group B, ethanol content between 5 to 20%. Number 3, Group C, ethanol content between 20 and 55%. In this article, it is tart than traditional alcoholic beverage and their mix or ingredients are also prohibited. Who are the parties related to this bill? The parties related to producer and seller of alcoholic drinks are subject to criminal sanctions in the bill on the prohibitions of alcoholic drinks. This provision is regulated in Chapter 3 of the bill as referenced to in Article 4. This law prohibits any person producing, importing, storing, distributing, and or selling alcoholic drinks in the territory of the Republic of Indonesia. What is the sanctions will be given for violating? Imprisonment of at least 2 years and a maximum of 10 years, or a fine of at least 200 million and a maximum 1 billion. If the violation results in the loss of a person's life, he will be punished with the basic sentence plus 1/3. What is the exceptions of this bill? Exception of the bill based on Article 8 state that regulate prohibition does not apply to limited interests. For that purpose, among other customary interests, religious rituals, religious tourists, pharmaceutical tourists, place permit by statutory regulation. For the provisions regarding these limited interests are regulated in government regulation. Do you have suggestion for it? I think the government should immediately pass this based on the bill into a law basis of the proposed bill called the Protect the Public from Negative Effect of Consuming Alcohol Beverage. That alcoholic drinks are clearly prohibited in religious teachings and can also be harmful to health.